Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to integrate third-party tools in Zoom, such as Miro, Mentimeter, or Kahoot, so you can make your meetings more interactive. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the Zoom web portal at zoom.us. Sign in with your account from the top menu. Click on Solutions, and then select App Marketplace. Here, you'll find hundreds of apps you can integrate with Zoom in the search bar. Type the name of the app you want, like Miro, Mentimeter, or Kahoot. Click on the app, then press Install. You might be asked to give permissions for Zoom to connect with that app. Just click Authorize. Once installed, these apps will appear inside your Zoom meetings. For example, you can open a Miro whiteboard to collaborate, run a Mentimeter poll, or launch a Kahoot quiz directly while your meeting is live. That's it. You've now integrated third-party tools into Zoom. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.